So yeah, I bought a backdrop thingy, whatever you call it, backdrop. I did buy the softbox a while ago for better lighting. Now I feel I'm in an awkward position where I need a clean background to shoot my self-tapes and videos. So I guess humans are greedy as Is that an airplane? I didn't even realize there were so many airplanes around my house. Well, it's not an ASMR, so it's okay. So I ordered a backdrop from Amazon, so I'm gonna unbox it. Humans are greedy as and I'm okay with that. I almost cut through this bit here, so I think it's fine, but yeah, just watch out guys. Don't be a idiot like me. So we've got the actual, I don't know, backdrop, if that's what you call it. UTEBIT. I don't even know how to pronounce this, guys. Someone else can help me out there. White. We've got the clips, a nifty carrier bag. The logo has to be on it. Just in case people don't know, it's a UTEBIT backdrop kit. Some poles here. Background stand installation instructions in pictures. So this is officially what's in the box. We've got 2 stands. These 4 poles, 4 clips. Sakes. 4 poles, 4 clips, an instruction paper, and the actual backdrop or background sheet, whatever you want to call it. So now I'm going to time this and see how long it actually takes me to assemble it. I'll be right back. And it roughly took me 11 minutes. I'm not sure whether that's because I'm an idiot or whether it actually takes that long. I was a little confused along the way. It's a lot longer than I expected. I could fit like 3 people comfortably in this spot if I wanted to do something. I just wanted to do some self-tapes and maybe like upload some clothing that I want to sell on eBay or something like that, but this is like plenty of space. If anybody wants to do a skit with me or like set up like a little play together, hit me up. Of course the height can extend. It can become taller than this, but we'll just leave it here for now. I'm not even really sure whether this is set up properly. Like, I don't really like the instructions, to be honest, because it's a little vague and I have some major questions regarding these 2 parts here. What the hell are these for? It doesn't mention on the manual. Like, I have no idea what these are for. That is one of the world mysteries that will never be answered. Another small question I have for this thing is whether I should iron or wash the actual background thingy, because right now it is wrinkly as so I'll ask around or look it up on Google or something. Another little complaint that I have with this thing is like the clips and the stands and stuff like that in general. The quality looks pretty damn cheap. But yeah, I'm hoping to make a good use out of this. So in future self-tape auditions or videos I make, I'll try to make use out of this thing here. I'll see whether it actually makes a difference. So there we go.